United Kingdom, it's muggy, 12.5 degrees, but very damp. So I trust you're all keeping well and staying safe. I've got a few mic problems this evening, so if you can't hear me, please post away, and I'll be happy to give it a kick, as they say. So a warm welcome to you. Thank you very much for joining in to bring you all the latest news on what's happening on the MoneyByte scene and wider afield, to say the least. Well, okay, it's been a busy week on the markets this week. What has BTC done? Well, it's up there again. We've seen a dramatic rise over the last week, up to touching the 57,000, 58,000 mark, and it doesn't seem to be losing. Likewise with Ethereum, not so much in the press this week because, as always, Bitcoin outshines it, and Ethereum broke through the $2,000 mark again. If you look at the two charts side by side, you can see a very close resemblance between the two. So no one is favoring one or the other. It is a bullish run on the cryptos generally. What is different this time round from the crypto winter of 2018? Well, this time we have the financial institutions on board. They are buying up big time. They are not as fettle, as we say in the United Kingdom, as retail investors who will go with the trends. The trend is your friend. Retail institutional investors are a hardy sort. They will continue to hold through thick and thin, and scalping off the top profits as they go. So they are here for the long term. This is going to call into question the regulation again, but we'll have to see how that catches on. But it is definitely in the retail press, and this is looking like a very strong gain. On the MoneyByte front, as you would expect, with the major cryptos such as BTC and Ethereum rising so much, there has been profit takers. It's clear to see on the Block Explorer, people moving crypto around. Those who are used to using Block Explorers can see an awful lot of transactions. We did have a little sell-off down to a very disappointing 30 sats, but we have bounced back well. A lot of people picked up a lot of cheap MoneyByte, to say the least. And I must say, yesterday I was very busy on the platform doing switches and processing new investments. Just to give you one example yesterday of what happened. An investor opened up a spread bet, BTC spread bets, late Friday, let it run overnight, and it automatically closed out after doubling his investment on Saturday morning. He rolled it over into another BTC spread bet, and 4 or 5 hours later, it automatically closed out, doubling his. That money, before the cutoff last night, got put onto the investment platform, and he received a passive income. So I'm sure that individual can't win every week like that, but fair play to him. He utilized the platform to its maximum, made MoneyByte, and reinvested it straight away. Congratulations. Well, last week we launched a new different type of trading hedge pool with DigiByte. And with that, I'll call Jimmy briefly to the mic to talk about how that went. Did it go according to plan?
Hey, good evening, Pete. All good at your side?
Yeah, alive and kicking.
Alive and kicking. Yeah, here also. The winter is gone. I don't know if you had a lot of snow there in England.
Yes, we were inundated with all 1 inch of it.
Okay, well, we had about 4 inch. And when we talked about that, Paul was laughing at us. Paul is from the United States. I don't know exactly where from. Do you know, Pete, where he's from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. He was laughing at us because he had, what did he say, 40, 50 inches?
Yeah, put it this way, he couldn't see the roof of his car.
So that was very cool. Well, enough said about the snow. We don't have snow anymore. It was today 17 degrees Celsius, so that was also a very good temperature over here in the Netherlands. I'm from, as you heard, Pete is talking from London. Oh no, not London, but the country that is hosting London. Yeah. Well, you were asking me about DigiByte, and I was the idea with DigiByte is that we are going to debate, develop, and talk about making some sort of automatic trading bot or something like that is generating rewards, just the same like Masternodes are doing. That will be a long process before we can reach that what we want with the trading pools. But as long as we are working on that, we are opening the trading pools and we are trading manually. On DigiByte I am trading, and what am I doing? I'm buying coins and selling coins, and the profit when I got the same amount of BTC when I buy, that's my end trading, and I will be left over with, in this case, DigiByte. So if I start trading with 200 DigiBytes and I stop trading, my goal is to end up with 1, 2 or 3 DigiByte and the same amount of Bitcoin with which I started. And I'm trading the whole week, and during the whole week I get amounts of DigiByte. I send those to the hedged pool on our platform. One day I sent 20 DigiByte, the other day I sent 60 DigiByte. It's just like when I have a certain amount rewards on on Binance, I'm trading on Binance, then I send them to the hedge pool. And during the whole week we gathered approximately, I don't know exactly, but as far as I can see, we've got to 193 DigiByte coins. Where is the DigiByte pool? Let me see it on the platform. There it is. When you go to the DigiByte hedged pool, I will send the link also over there. When you go to the website, you see on the dashboard down at the website at the page, you see previous reward amount paid out, and today it was 193.39 DigiByte coins, and we will keep a record of the past 3 weeks, so you can see a little bit an average of paid out DigiByte coins. For now, that will be around $15 paid out to all the investors. That's quite a lot for hedge pools. So this week was a good week. It was a very good week, and I'm aiming to do approximately this amount of coins. It's all how is the market going? Am I lucky? If I have loss, if I lose DigiByte, then that doesn't count for the pool, because I'm trading manually, and I'm only putting the positive rewards on the pool. As said, we are working for something automatically, something automated. We don't know how, we don't know what, but we are working toward. We are debating about it. This is just a startup. This is a new kind of pool we are opening, and we're also going to do this with Dogecoin. Also going to do the first year trading manually. All the coins on the pool are paid out. I don't know how many pools we have, but it will be around 50 pools, I think. In the video you can see the amount paid out. I will put the picture also here. You can see most of the pools are paid out. Only Turiva and 01 coin have blockchain problems. We are also going to delist Beacon, or they are delisted already, Beacon and Bitcoin Green, and we are going to delist the coming weeks Blast X also. You can see if you go to the website, to the hedge pools department of our investing platform, and you scroll all the way down, you see inactive hedged pools, and then you see Beacon, Bitcoin Green, Kanji Coin, Mogwai and Xuez. Those pools are inactive. for several reasons. Example, Bitcoin Green is going to swap to another chain. Beacon is going to merge with other coins. So yeah, then we have to decide to delist them. Maybe the new project can come back when they are alive. If you have coins on one of those inactive hedge pools, just click on the Leave Pool button, and then you can see how many coins you have invested on it, and you can click on Internal Transfer to transfer the coins to another section of the hedged pools. Today we are launching a new hedged pools. It's a masternode project called Platinum. Platinum is listed, can I see that, on Cracks, Cracks24. If you can go to the website of them and search all the information of this project. We are running 2 masternodes. The masternodes aren't projected at the moment on the dashboard. We are working on that, but later today the right masternodes will be projected on the dashboard. I can go to the Bitcoin talk, and then I see they are activated on February 15, 2019. So they are around for 2 years now. So established project for now. They are active on Twitter. That's always a sign for me that the team is active. They didn't abandon the project. So if you want to gain some platinum coins, then you have to invest MoneyByte coins, which always stay your coins, but you invest them on the platform, on the dashboard, on the pool of your choice, and at the end of the week you will gain a percentage of your investment paid out in the coin you have chosen. That all about the DigiByte pool, the new pool, the hedge pools. Did I miss something, Pete?
I was just going to mention Zumi. Zumi will be delisted as well. They unfortunately don't have an active block explorer. The mining pools have dried up. They've had the exchange now for 4 to 5 weeks. Well, since Christmas actually.
Yeah.
We'll temporarily suspend that and invite the existing investors in that to switch across to other pools as well. So that's Zumi coin as well.
Okay. And I forgot to say, 01 coin is having blockchain problems for the 2nd week at a row, no payouts. So I think they will be delisted also. I'm going to watch it for 1 week extra, but if it's for a 3rd week no rewards, then I think we need to decide to delist that also. And then a shout out from me to the community who is listening. If you know a project that you want to see listed that is not listed, just shout out to us in the general chat. Please reach out to me, to Paul, to Daniel, to Pete, or anyone else from the team, and ask us if we want to list a certain project of your choice, and then we are going to review it. Because we are now delisting quite a few projects, and we don't want to run out of projects, so we want to list a few more. So if you know a good one, it needs an active community and especially a team behind it that is still active. If you know such a project, please let us know.
That's great. Thanks for that, Jimmy. Yes, some of the projects seem to be moving forward. Others seems very stable at the moment. An awful lot of the altcoins are being affected by the high rise of BTC at the moment. We're fairly lucky at the moment on GravX. I'm only seeing 33,000 available for sale at the moment. There are some available on SouthX and also on iHost as well. Don't know why more people don't use the iHost platform. I would like to see more volume on there, but I'm sure that will come with time. It's a very popular platform for masternode hosting. And they're still moving into the exchange side of that. Just to point out, please, if you are a Gauntlet investor, have a look at the news on their thread, please. They're talking about switching to a token-based in order to access a crowdfunding platform. We've had reassurance from the project that existing coin holders will not be ignored and compensated accordingly. So you may see that as an opportunity, or we may see that as a downside. But please check out the Gauntlet thread for that. Well, we're all being very positive in these times. The market cap of MoneyByte is fairly stable because of the rise of BTC. We have to expect a few profit takers, but we're all here for the long term to build things up. The only outstanding tasks are, I think we've got another 2 wallets left to pay, but apart from that, then we'll be moving on to the withdrawals for the week and getting those sent across to your MoneyByte wallets. Okay, well, please bear us in mind when you're talking to your friends about crypto. We're always here. We like to consider that we are forward facing. We're always approachable. There's always a voice here. You've seen our photos. So please tell your friends about us, and let's build this community up. Well, with that, I thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to catching up with you all next week, as always. For listening.